Obviously,
Right.
to keep it short and simple, I'm interested in some way, shape, or form in learning the Xactimate um, more in depth. And I think I was looking on your website. You had another program that you recommended, kind of two particular programs. You were just trying to maximize supplements and learn Xactimate.
Right.
More or less, if you want to sell me on why I should spend, I don't know how much it is, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, whatever it is,
Yeah.
on purchasing those programs.
Okay, that's really easy. How many claims are you do? Let's just use what you said today. You've got 15 contracts today. So let's make this super easy. You don't know me at all, but I will tell you that this is an honest number when I give it to you, and you can just take that with a grain of salt, okay? On those 15 jobs, I personally guarantee you, no matter what your supplementing game is like right now, you will add at least an extra $2,500 to each of those across the board in supplements. So take that times 15. That on a conservative end is another $37,500 in pure profit for you. So that's why you should spend $4,500, and that's about the easiest sales pitch I can give you.